Bring him from the yard. Arr.
This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I'm announcing another build-off with Matchbox Mark. This is what I'm doing. He said something with regular Matchbox wheels, and I didn't know what he meant because I'm so used to things with Redlines. So, this will be different. This is going to be a custom, guys. This is the one that's kind of tore up, so we'll see what we can do with that. I have some others that may be worth restoring, may be worth keeping as they are. Of this car, I have two others. But this one is going to be a custom. I kind of have some ideas for it, but we'll have to wait until that video. The build off will be May 9th. Also, I wanted to make an announcement for my next prize giveaway. So, as you know, we just did the 100 subscriber special. Well, at this point, we're 6 subscribers from 200. And I know my buddy Jay, he's rocking it. He's killing it. Like he's gaining 100 subs a week or something like that. I don't know, but dude is on fire. All right, so he's doing a prize giveaway every 100, but it's one car and he's building one car. You saw my prize giveaway. I'm going to be giving a bunch away again, but at this point, I'm going to do it at 300. Okay. So if we get to 300, once we start getting close, I will do a prize announcement. I'll go through the rundown of what the prizes are, and then when we hit 300, then we'll have the drawing. Okay. And then I think I'm going to do another one at 500. So we'll just do every other 100 because I'm giving away so much at one time. It's way too soon. I basically did the 100 subscriber giveaway when I was around. I started planning it when I hit 100, and I got to 150 so fast. But by the time I made that announcement, and now we're at 200, and I'm just gonna mail out the prizes today. So, dude, we are rocking it. I'm loving this, you guys. All right, so hey, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Click that like button. You know I love seeing those likes, and I love seeing your comments. So tell me what you think, how fast we can get there. Share this on social media, and ring that bell for notifications. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I will see you next time.